In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin to SUI on Coinbase. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you got to do is open up and log into your Coinbase account. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will also include a sign up bonus. After you've logged into your Coinbase account, we're going to go right down here and tap on your asset icon. And from here, we're going to select Bitcoin. If you don't see Bitcoin in the list, you could simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Bitcoin. Next, we're going to go right over here and tap on buy and sell. Tap on convert. Right here where it says from, make sure Bitcoin is selected. And right here where it says to, we're going to tap on the arrow next to Ethereum and we're going to select SUI out of the list below. If you don't see SUI in the list, you can search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on SUI. Next, we're going to enter the amount of USD that we want to convert from Bitcoin to SUI. For this example, I'll just use 1 USD. Tap on review order and tap on convert now. And that's how to convert Bitcoin into SUI on Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.